Dear student, today we are going to see how to multiply this two big number using of log, okay, using of log and anti-log, okay. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, here we have three digit, here we have four digit. Okay, so this is a 3 digit. Okay, first you will do what is a log value. You have to find first what is a log value, then you have to do with the anti-log. Okay, then directly you will get multiplication of this two. Instead of multiplying this two number, you can take log and anti-log. You will get the value of what is this two multiplication. Okay, here we have 3 decimals. Okay, so subtract 1, you will get it as a 2. Okay, make it as a 2 point. Here we have 4 decimal. Okay, minus 1 will get as a 3. Okay, now in this value, both the value, okay, it's multiple. So because of multiple, in log multiplication will become as a addition. Okay, just I made as a plus. Okay, now I'm going to see this value 5821. I'm going to look at in a logbook. Okay, so I'm going to show you logbook how it will be. Okay, this is a logbook. We are checking 5821. Okay, so 58. So far we have 3 columns, 1 2 3. 1, this is a vertically 1, horizontally is a 2, this one is a third column. Okay, we are going to see 5821. So this is a 58. Okay, and 2 is here. Okay, 2 is here. We got 7649. Okay, so 7649, 2.7649. we are taken anti-log for this log for this value. Okay, then last value is a 1. You should check in a third value. Okay, third tabular column I got as a 1. Okay, so the last value we got 1. You can add this to, it's a last decimal. That third value always add in a last decimal. So when you are adding this in a last decimal, you will get as a 7650. Okay, 7650, like this you will get it, 7650. Okay, 2.7650. See, again here we have 4 decimal, just subtraction 1 will get as a 3. Okay, then 2354 we have to check it in the logbook. Okay, so 23 I have here. Okay, 235. So we got here, this is a 5, it is a 235. So we got 3711. Okay, this 3711 I wrote. Okay, then it is a last value is a 4. Just this point you can neglect. Okay, so it is a 4 value I got as a 7. Okay, so directly 7 you can add in a last decimal. Okay, so when you are looking at the third number, this is a third number, here it is a third number here. Okay, when you are looking at the third number, okay, so you can directly add it in a last decimal. So I directly added in a last decimal, I got this 2 value. Okay, now what we can do, okay, that only I am going to show you. So see here, this 2 you can add. Okay, so this 2 I just added, I got 6.1367. Okay, now we can take it as a anti-log. Okay, so anti-log, when I am taking the anti-log, we got as a addition of this 2 number. After taking the log, we added this 2, I got this as a number. Okay, so we have 6.1367. Okay, so here it's a 50, just I made it. Okay, so we'll get here it's a 68. Okay, so this 6 value you can raise as a power of 1, so we'll get totally it's a 7. Okay, when you are taking the anti-log, before taken you should write in the 10 power of something, 10 power of 7. Why I got 10 power of 7? Because whatever value is here plus 1, you should take it that as a 10 power. Okay, in case here is a 3 means power will be 4, here it is 5 means power will be 6. Okay, so I got 10 power 7 because here it's a 6. Now I am going to look at the anti-log value of 1368. Okay, so we have to look the anti-log table. This is anti-log table 1368. Okay, so 13 is here, 6 is here, so I'll get the answer is this much, 1368. Okay, so 1368. Again we have 8 here. Okay, so 8 in this column will get us a 3. Okay, so it is a 3. So always the third column you can add in a last decimal. So this 2 addition will get us a 0.1371 into 10 power 7. Okay, so we have the power of 7. So 7 decimal we have to move it. Okay, 1371. So 1371, 70, actually 7 zeros I just multiplied. Okay, here 4 decimal plus 3 zeros will get. Okay, 1371000. So this is totally we got as a 7 decimals. It's a direct multiplication. Instead of doing the multiplication, you can take it as a log and anti-log. It's very easy to do the calculation. Okay, thank you everyone. If you like my channel, please subscribe.